Welcome back. I hope you're ready to create something new with me today. You'll need these few supplies in order to do it. And let's get started. It's really simple. Once you have the base for your earring, you take your smaller piece of material and you'll just start to glue it around the base of it. The hot glue gun, you don't need a lot of glue in order to do this. And also, once you put your glue down, you don't want to press too firmly on the material. That way the glue will not seep through it. Once your base is fully covered, you don't have to worry about the front of it being covered because that's where your printed material is going to go. As you see here on the printed material, I am gluing down just a tiny piece of the edge on each side. This will allow your material to have a smooth finish, and also when it comes to the part when you're going to start bunching it onto the base, it'll actually give you a firm look as well. These earrings are super lightweight. When you're ready to glue, just start gluing from the top and begin to bunch your material in any pattern or layout that you desire. There is no right or wrong way to do this. And as you're taking the time to sit here and you're bunching your material in place, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please take the time to like this video, subscribe, and comment below if you plan to try this and share it with others. Now that you're finished, you're just going to do a little cleanup around the edges, cut away any extra glue, glue your post onto the back of the earring, and there you have it. You have just completed your pair of Bunchies earrings. I hope to see what you've made. Please tag me in your videos. And thank you so much for watching. Come back again for more creative ideas.